Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you today how you can actually set your image as a Google Chrome background. So I'll show you in this video how you can go ahead and do that. So let's just go ahead and show you how it's done. Now you can see here I'm currently on Google Chrome. Now your Chrome should look just like this. Now, let's say you want to change your background image. You could see right here that I've actually have a solid gray color as my background here. But if I want to change it to a picture, I'll show you guys the steps here how to do it. So you can see I'm currently on Chrome. Head over to the bottom right hand corner of your screen. There should be a little button here that says Customize Chrome. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, you should be able to see that we do get a couple of color themes that we can actually select from. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mess with it a little bit. You can see that it does change. Now, if I want to actually change the background image of my theme here, all I have to do is just click the Change Theme button here. Once I do that, you can see that there are different types of landscapes and themes that you can select from. But if you want to select your own preferred image, all you have to do is click upload an image here and then go ahead and select image. And this is just an image of a car. So here you can see that I actually changed the background and it now shows the background of, whatever picture I've selected, right? So that's how you go ahead and change your image background theme on Google Chrome. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys until next time.